This is a short installation video for Putco's window visors on all 2021 and up Ford F150 model trucks. Let's get started. Lower your front windows into the down position. Your key will need to be in the accessory position to do this. Next, you will want to determine which visor corresponds with the driver and passenger side doors. Start on either side of the vehicle as the same steps are repeated for the other side. Before removing the tape liner, test fit the visor to ensure proper alignment. You can do this by inserting the top edge of the visor into the weather stripping. Work the edge of the visor into the weather stripping, starting from the top edge. To insert the lower edge of the visor into the channel, lift up and push back on the edge of the window visor, moving it up and over the window trim. The hook slides in between the mirror and the weather stripping, sitting on top of the rubber window trim for support. Firmly press the hook into place. Before application, make sure to clean the window channel out with isopropyl alcohol. After test fitting the visor and confirming the fitment is correct, you can go ahead and remove the protective tape. To correctly install the visor, go back to the test fitting step and follow from there. Once the visor is installed, grab two of the tall in-channel support clips. The clips installed directly in the channel on the back side of the visor. The clips should be installed in the locations being shown by our tech. At the rear location, the center of the clip should be at the end of the visor. At the front location, the clip should be near the bottom of the visor. Once the clips are installed, you can use a long, thin object to push them into place. After you have pushed the clips into place, you can go ahead and roll up the window and allow the visors to cure for 12 to 24 hours before use. We'll move on to the rear now, and the first thing you'll want to do is roll down your windows. Test fit the visor in the window track to determine the proper alignment. Remove the visor after test fitting and wipe down the weather strip with rubbing alcohol anywhere that the window visor might meet the weather strip. At this point, it's okay to remove the tape liner and place the rear visor into the channel. Place the inner corner in position and swing the rear up, being careful not to contact the weather strip with tape until it's in position. Once the visor is installed, grab two of the short in-channel support clips. The clips install in the channel directly on the back side of the visor. The clips should be installed in the locations indicated by our tech. Once again, you can use a long, thin object to get the clips into position. And it's important to note that the center of the clip should line up with the bottom of the window visor. You can now go ahead and roll your window up, but it's important to let the visor cure with the window sealed in a warm, dry environment for at least 24 hours. As mentioned earlier, the instructions for the reverse side are the exact same, so all you'll want to do is just rewatch the video and reverse those instructions to the opposite side. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call.